Hello, it's Liz here from Skills4Parents, supporting you and your child's education. If you haven't met me before, I was a maths teacher for 16 years, and now I run courses, provide support for parents, and tutor maths online. Today, I'm going to explain the grid method to you. This is a method for multiplication that many people find much easier, and I love because it uses partitioning, which gives an understanding of place value. We can also use the grid method when it comes to expanding brackets in algebra, and it's great for visual learners. Now, before we get started, I want to show you that we have created a handy printable for you. So what you can do is you can use this when you're watching this video, and you can write things in, or any other multiplications that you need to do, or any practice. And note, we've done some that are 2 by 2 and some that are 2 by 3, depending on the size of the numbers that you're multiplying. So let's get started. We are going to start with 54 multiplied by 34. So what we need to do is partition it. So we're going to take the 54 and we're going to split it up into its tens and its units. So it's 50 and 4. And then we're going to do the same with 34. So 30 and 4. And then we need to do some multiplication. So we're going to do 30 times 50. So you can do 3 times 5, which is 15. And then because you're doing 10 times a 10, you're then putting hundreds on the end. The same with 30 times 4. That's 12 with 1 10. 50 times 4, 5 times 4 is 20. And then we need another 10 on there. And then 4 times 4 is 16. So now that we've worked all of those out, what we need to do is add up our 4 answers. So we've put for you this handy little grid underneath, and we've put these columns in because that way you are able to make sure that you get all of your units lined up and all of your tens lined up. That is one of the reasons that I don't like the grid method, is that the mistakes are generally made in the adding up at the end. That's why we've created this for you. So we'll put 16 in, we'll put 120 in, and again with addition, it doesn't matter what order you do it in. So 200 and 1,500. So I've got my units lined up, I've got my tens lined up, my hundreds lined up, and so on. So we'll add this up. 6, 3, 8, and 1. So my answer is 1,836. Hey presto, it's easy. So I'd love to know what you think of that. That is the grid method. It's exactly the same when you come to doing a 2 by 3 or any others. Let me know, and I look forward to seeing you again in the future. Take care.